In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template in Zoho Mail. Using templates in Zoho Mail is a great way to save time, keep your messages consistent, and avoid typing the same email over and over again. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of inserting a template into a new email so you can start using it right away. First, open your browser and go to Zoho Mail. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you want to use email templates. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your inbox or your default mail folder. Give the page a moment to fully load so that all the icons and options are visible in the interface. Next, look for the New Mail button, usually found near the top left area of the screen. This is the button you use every time you want to compose a new email. Click on New Mail and a compose window will open, either as a pop-up or on the right side of your screen, depending on your Zoho Mail layout settings. Inside this compose window, you'll see fields for the recipient, subject, and the main email body, along with a row of formatting options and icons. Among these icons, look for the Insert Template icon. Its look can vary slightly based on updates, but it is typically shown as a layout or document style icon. Hovering over the icons for a second will usually display a small label that says Insert Template. Once you find it, click on the Insert Template icon. After you click, a panel or pop-up will appear showing the templates available to you. These can be templates you've created yourself or templates that have been shared with you by your organization. Take a moment to scroll through the list and preview the templates, paying attention to the subject line and the content to make sure you're choosing the most appropriate one for this email. When you've found the template you want to use, select it and then click on the option that says Checkout or its equivalent, which confirms that this is the template you want to insert into your email. Once it's checked out, simply click on that template. Zoho Mail will automatically insert its content into your compose window. From here, you can customize any part of the text